All right, here's the competition today, and it's going to be which one of these rifles shoots its casings the farthest. I have 50 foot of tape measure set up. Granted, they're going to go bouncing down the concrete, but you know, high science and all. So anyway, what's your wager? Here's a close look. 7.62 M70. Regular ass 13.7 AR-15, Bren 2 SBR, old school full auto Galil, HK 93, the old SIG. There's a 5.56 M85. There's an Izzy 7.62 suppressed. The old Valmet, sure, why not? Yugo 5.45 gun, the saw, super SIG. And then a regular LMT 14.4 inch suppressed. What do you think? I'm thinking the Valmet is gonna be top of the line here. That's my guess. Valmet! Or Valmet if you're gay. But let's figure it out. Orkly dorkly. So, here's the test for today. This is what we do on Sundays because I'm an idiot. But anyway, we're going to start off with the M70 Zastava in 7.62 by 39. There's 50 foot of, oh, sweet. There goes a Kestrel. I don't see those very often. All right, I'm easily distracted. Anyway, 50 feet of tape set up. I'm just going to probably shoot 3 rounds or so. And we're, the first round, who knows where it's going to go, but I'm going to kind of track it, and then we aim accordingly, get the most out of it. And all the 7.62 guns, I'm shooting that New Republic brass case ammo. So, ready, steady, spaghetti. Okay. Maybe we'll give it a little tilty here, and I'm going to stay right on my tape. Oh, 23 feet. And that one went a little forward, so it is what it is. Let's walk it out. What was my guess? All right, 22 foot, 2 inches. M70. Interesting. Moving on. Let's shoot. I have a 13.7 inch 5.56 gun here and suppressed with the Yankee Hill Fat Cat. This one might not be too terrible, I'm guessing, but we shall see. Let's see. Oh yeah. Not bad. Let's see where my furthest one went. Hit the table. 7 foot 7 inches. No big deal. I'll probably have to kind of cut this video into a bunch of different pieces so you don't stick around for all the boring loading. Or I might. I don't care. None of my videos are monetized. Nobody watches this shit. Just for fun. All right, so here is the Bren 2 MS, and this is the 11-inch variety, unsuppressed. See how this goes. Oh yeah, that's like nothing. Right here at 5 foot 5 inches. So. Not too bad. All right, next. Here we go. This could be a top performer. Galil in 5.56. Let's bring that down to semi-auto. This thing kind of gives me fits. Let's see how it goes. Jeez. That one went too much straight forward there. right, still going pretty. I might have to move my tape measure to get a proper distance. Let's try to cheat, and I'm going to aim this way a little bit. No, not happening. Let's see. Holy crapola. It's far, but it's far forward. Hang on, we'll move the camera so you can get a better angle of where these are going. Shooting right in between the building here. How about like that? All right, check this out. There you go. That one hit the door over there. Pretty wild. Yeah, so we've got what we needed to get out of this one. There we go. On the roof. And then down. That is so ridiculous. All right, let me find some of this brass here. All right. Clear, 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 clear. Don't try this at home. There's one here. Let's see, and then they hit the propane tank, and here's two. Right there. Okay. I'll measure that out later. We'll still count it, just obviously not ejecting dead nuts out the side. Moving back. All right, let's see. Oh, there's the siren. Means it's noon. Okay. Moving on, moving on. What's next here? Oh, here we go. A little HK action. Let me grab some Slammo. HK 93. Right on the tape. Very good. Now tilt it. Holy shit. We'll shoot that a few more. That really is random. I had one at the door and I had one at that door. Oh yeah, this thing is hilarious. Sideways. Fuck. I don't know if you can hear them hitting the roof of my building, but just shy of the Galil, so not too terrible. All right, next, I'm gonna shoot a little short barrel SIG, 5.53. There we go. We're in. Whoops. Safety. Okay. That one's in the gutter. Now it's in the gutter. Sorry about the wind noise. Iowa. We'll shoot a couple more just since it went in the gutter. There you go. That's my farthest one. And we're going to put that dude right by the DeWalt bucket. 16'8". 16'8". So, very good. Another top performer. Now I'm just using our 55 grain full metal jacket. 5.56 ammo. All right. Here is the Zastiver M85 5.56. We'll go in semi-auto and suppressed. So. Jeez, that is overgassed. It's going a little far forward. Yeah. At the door. All right, she's a little gassy. We'll try it one more time. See if the full auto makes a difference. Okay. Stand right on the tape. There. We got another one in the gutter. That sucks. But one did come out here. And we're at 19 foot right there. So there you go. Another top performer. Now this one's kind of an odd duck, but this is the Russian Izzy, but I do have it's suppressed, and then I have the K&S piston in here, so that is probably going to make a difference. I'm guessing not too bad, but yeah, all right, so the farthest one was 10 foot. We'll do the same thing. We'll shoot it on full auto and shoot a little burst. See if it makes a difference. Which probably won't. Good. No. It's gotta work. Actually, that did go pretty far. We'll shoot a little bigger burst. Am I going to edit out all this magazine loading? Probably not. You're probably gone by now anyway. All right, full auto. See where we go. Okay. Not too shabby. One of them went pretty good. All right, 17 foot, 2 inches. Very good. All right, here's my guess at the top performer. The old Valmet. Picked this thing up a few years ago at auction. It is, to me, a really good looking gun. The scope mount's a little hokey, but I'm not exactly using it for precision work. All right, same 5.56 ammo, right on the tape measure. Let's see how it goes. There you go, it just landed. We are into the new tape measure. Past the blue dumpster. The very end in the gutter. All right. Holy crapola. So, walk with me. I seen two, and this one bounced off the building over here. But this guy, 25 foot plus a 30 foot right here. And then I've got another one that technically bounced off the roof. Let's see. And that's, holy crap, 35 feet. So yeah. So far, I am right, but we have a few main contenders left. Now we have a Yugo. So So let's shoot that. Also 7.62 by 39. I'm trying to turn this way because the wind's at my back a little bit, coming this way. That way you guys don't hear it as much. All right, so underfolder. Come on, this stupid magazine. I might have to use the other one. Semi-auto. Yugo. In the gutter. Pretty good, pretty good. Let's shoot a burst, why not? Oh, I don't want that, we want this. All right, where'd you go? Right here. Let's shoot a burst. Oh, this magazine. Who told me to get bananas? All right, on the tape measure. All right. That one, not very wild. 14 foot 10. 14 foot 10. All right, let's do a little 5.45 gun here. See how this goes. This is just some Barnall bull metal jacket. Ooh, buddy might be coming down the road. Or it could be the ATF. On the tape measure. That's a winner. Oh, nice. All right. So, Xenago 5.45. At least they're easy to find. Right here. And we are at the second tape measure again. So 25, there's 30. So we're at 29.8. 29 foot, 8 inches down the road. Pretty hilarious. All right, for shits and giggles. No, this doesn't really count, but I'm curious. We're gonna shoot the 249 with the short barrel. You know, my tape measure here. Let's see. Okay, let's check this guy out. We're fine. We're fine. And it does a little different things out of the magazine, but we'll see how it goes. Ready, steady? Nice. That's the winner so far. By far. Which is not shocking. You guys have shot these things before. They're just bouncing off the concrete like all get out, so. All right, here we go. There's one, and then this one bounced onto the concrete right here, which is just past my 2 tape measures. So 50 foot, 52 feet. Yep. That's actually a little known fact why the 249 is so dangerous. Is because of the brass kills a lot of people. Yeah. A lot of people don't know that, but now you do. All right, here we go. Going back to the time machine. We'll shoot the old SIG 5.56. Be careful not to wreck my fingers on the sight. All right, not bad. All right, we had one go out front, 2 went over there by the door. Let's see, that one and that one. 16 foot 8 inches. Not bad. So as far as normal human being guns go, the Valmet takes the cake. And the Valmet if you're gay. And just for reference sake, this one shouldn't be too bad. We're gonna shoot a little AR. And this is a 14.4 inch. So, and then obviously, you know, gotta have the 40 millimeter quadrant sight. I mean, does it get any cooler than this? We do have the K-Spec bolt carrier group, so that should help out a little. All right. All right, so my very furthest one bounced over here. 14 feet. Had a little help with the bounce. It is what it is. So yeah, in review, I don't remember the exact numbers, we can come back to it. But there you go, that's the winner. The Valmet 5.56 lethal, and that's besides the 249. But belt feds, I mean, it is to be expected. I should have shot that RPD, but there we go. So now we have a nice, super exciting 20-minute long, boring ass video shooting these things. 5.45 casings. That's great. 5.56 casings. That's great. And then, yeah, there's the last 249 one. Pretty wild, pretty wild. All right, now I gotta go grab my kit and have him pick up a bunch of brass. Awesome. All right, that is all. Carry on.